The opposition team in Vanimo in a media statement calling out the passing of the budget rushed and an apparent new record in budget passing as it was passed in under an hour. Opposition stating the budget books were not even tabled and questions over the certification of the bills by the Solicitor General and First Legislative Council remains. The opposition benches were empty yesterday and the usual shadow treasurer's response to the budget did not take place. In the statement, opposition says the budget adds on a 6 billion kina more debt onto the already 10 billion kina debt incurred by the government in the last 18 months. While opposition lawyers have indicated that court proceedings will be filed, yesterday Prime Minister James Marape welcomed the opposition's moves to go to court.
The court is open. Trust me, I will not go into courthouse as Belanama did in 2011 to chase a sitting Chief Justice out of courtroom. We are not stupid as that. We will be saying if they go to court, we will go to court to ensure proper interpretation of processes are done with. In fact, I've instructed my own lawyers to go to court to affirm the provisions of law and the default and the abrogation of law that took place last Friday.
Meanwhile, Petroleum Minister and a once Attorney General Karen Gokua after the budget also supporting PM that no laws were broken.
Nupla decision and just implementing decision the Parliament made, validly made, properly made on the motion of our Minister last September sitting the Parliament. So nobody has hijacked the process of Parliament. No got one pla man lo side lo Prime Minister Marape, burke one pla law.
But one cannot ignore the fact that in the history of budget passing in Parliament, this was the first where members of Parliament had no budget books in front of them. There was no debate of the budget and only 2 MPs spoke briefly on it. There was no budget lockup for media to scrutinise the numbers, and nearly half of the members of Parliament were not present to represent their constituents' views of the 2021 budget. Adelaide Sirok Skari, National, EMTV News.